Fish on.
Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you will be alerted to when I have new videos.
Welcome to another episode of Mach Fishing. In this episode, I will fish for speckled sea trout on the Elizabeth River in Chesapeake, Virginia. I would meet up with 3 other kayakers and launch from the Elizabeth River boat ramp. The weather would be favorable, and we would fish an outgoing tide.
All right, 8:45, 8:46. Very industrial. Well, this time I bungeed my wheels to the front of the kayak. Normally I leave it in the car. I'm here with Jeff and Andy, and I think Teddy's already out there. He launched doing a little bottom fishing. So the game is trout. Then we see what happens after that.
For my bait, I used 1/4 ounce jig heads with 4-inch paddle tails made by Z-Man.
I'm not using my Bixby jet since the cable I ordered didn't come in. It'll be in on Monday, and today is Friday. So I'll have to have it for next year. So how far out is the spot, the fishing spot?
Pretty far. I think it's like 2 miles.
Are you serious? All right, now I've reached the first spot I'm gonna try trolling. The water went from like 40 feet, now it's up to 8.5 feet. Some beach areas to land your kayak, so that's good. And I don't see anybody catching anything. Tried radioing Teddy, didn't get a response, so I'm not sure if his radio's on or he couldn't hear with all the noise from the other vessels. Pull my line in and cast it back out. Catch that shoreline. It's only 7.5 feet deep. Fish on. Come on. Oh, you pull a little line. Come on, what are you? Oh shit. Got a rockfish out of this joker. Hey, I got a rockfish, guys.
Yeah, they were in here last week.
Yeah. Maybe about 21. Ship called Sakura. Okay. I'm not getting any more bumps here. That rockfish was the only thing I got at 21.5 inches. The other guys are still searching around. There's 4 of us. We met up with Teddy in this cove. So I guess they're moving on to the next spot. Jeff caught a 22-inch trout. But that's pretty much it. So we're going to another spot. I'm following Andy to the second location. Okay, I caught this little 8-inch perch, so I'm letting him go. All right, came over here to check it out, and I caught something. What is it? Can't see it. Oh, keeper trout. Nice trout too, keeper size. Okay, I caught another keeper trout at 15 inches. So now I have 2 trout and a rockfish. And I caught 1 8-inch white perch that I released. It seems like I'm catching the trout so far deeper, not shallow, like the guys did last time. So, how are you doing so far? How many fish you got?
3.
All right, so it's been a slow morning or a busy morning?
Slow, man.
Slow? All right. Yep. There we got another perch. Nope, little trout. Little 12 and a half, 13 inch. All right, Jeff just got a good pull.
I'm trying to just barely keep going to keep the other one.
Yep. All right, what did he get? Is that going to be number 4 for you, Jeff?
I hope so. I got the drag foot back way off.
Okay, he got his net ready. He's still winding.
Number 4.
He got a keeper. Boom.
He's not a giant, but I'll take
But hey, yeah, he's a keeper. Good job. Well, I only got 3 trout and 1 rockfish. And caught some small trout and some perch that were released. So now we're going back to our original spot, the first spot we were at, to see if the fish showed up. Elizabeth River Park. Going back to the ramp. Well, hopefully you can hear me with all this noise from the ships. But it was slow today. But the water is 52.8 degrees. That's the highest it got. It's sunny. About 62 degrees outside. So not bad. Light breeze is going right now, probably 6 miles an hour. But interesting place, but it's a little bit too industrial for my taste. I normally like it a little bit more rustic, you know, more nature. So, but it was still good. I didn't do bad for my first time here, not knowing what's going on. Got 3 trout and a rockfish. Gonna go back and clean it and put them in Ziploc bags on ice, and then horn. And then just take them home. Well, thanks for joining me on this last fishing trip of 2020. And that's for sure this time. So until next year, see you in 2021. Hopefully it'll be better and more prosperous. And we'll have all our health. All right, see ya.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching, and until next time, be sure to check out my other videos.